All right, we got a beautiful day. I don't feel the best, but sitting on a couch is not gonna fix that. We got an awesome MT100, a 3206 and a 24-inch stroke. I got some pretty big rounds I gotta split up. Still gotta buck a couple of them, but let's get this thing fired up. A little sketchy getting it off here, but I'll take my time with it. Now, these mini skids have become super popular. Like, there's a whole slew of companies that build them. The MT100 has got 2,900 PSI, just over 12 gallons a minute. So not crazy hydraulics, but pretty decent. You know, it'll run this 3206 quite well. All right, let's go grab that saw for a quick second. I do think I've got to sharpen the chain on it briefly, but we'll see how that goes. All right, I'm not a huge chainsaw guy. I just want to buy something that works. I guess just like what we make at Splitfire. It needs to work very, very well. This has been a good saw. Maybe not the newest piece out there, but it works good. And, you know, on big wood like this, it comes from different places. Could come from a county or someone's yard or whatever. I got a quick hack, not conventional, of how I sharpen chains really quick. I've sharpened chains with files before. It just takes too long, and I do not have the patience for it. And I would definitely say, if you have not used a grinder, don't use this method. I'm an expert with a grinder. I've done it many, many, many times. And so all I do is I simply will match my pitch and my angle with a disc. I got a fresh disc, 50 grit, so super aggressive. And I'll just simply come along and very carefully there we go. That's my unconventional hack, because I hate sitting here with a file or taking it off and putting it on a chain sharpener. So let's go finish up cutting that wood there, and let's go get some splitting done. And just keep in mind, I've been using a grinder for more than half my life, and I'm 30 years old. So if you haven't used a grinder very much, maybe think twice about using that method. Now 3206, we've had pretty good success with these. Good little machine. Keep in mind, you can fit it on an MT, like a Vermeer, Ditch Witch. There's a whole slew of machines that this will work on. So, you know, when you're ordering stuff, just keep that in mind. Whenever you get your skid mount, to pick the right skid mount for what you're using. I got to get rid of this jacket soon. It's getting hot. But the 3206s, 4206s, whatever, you know, series of machine you get, they're all built somewhat similar. But we've built these things to be super simple. Everything's on the inside. It's all internal. The cylinder slider. And you can see how much paint's worn off of me just moving, bumping, grabbing stuff. It's nice not to have to worry about anything on this side of the machine. And with the knife and the stroke right in front of the operator, I can just look straight ahead and everything's there right in front of me. So, you know, if you have got some questions about these things or what model you should get for what mini skid, whether it's a, you know, an MT85 or 100, or maybe a Vermeer, Ditch Witch, or New Holland, or whatever, you know, type of mini skid you have, give us a call. We can run specs and tell you what's going to work best for your machine. And for anything else, see more at split-fire.com. Give us some good comments below. Give us your thoughts and have a good day.